Hello all, my name is Gajendra Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start playlist specifically to databases. I am going to discuss about how to connect wireless databases with the help of Python programming language. With respect to this video, I am start with MySQL in order to download first of all installation part of MySQL. So what I am going to do with that, I will just search for MySQL download for Windows in any browser. Now I can see there is multiple option, but I need to go with first option. Now I can see here there is two setups available over here. One is 5.5 MB and second one is 448.3 MB. But I go with second setup. I need to click on download and see there is two options available over here. First one is login and second one is sign up as. But I don't know, I don't go with login and sign up. I just go with no thanks and just start for my download. Now guys, you can see here downloading is started. It will take few seconds. Guys, if you don't know about MySQL Guide, it is most uses databases at that time, and many companies use these databases. That is very amazing databases, as you know, that is follows an RDBMS structure. RDBMS is a relational database management system. Guys, now I can see here downloading is completed. What I need to do here is I need to click on particular this setup. Now installation is started. Guys, I would like to tell you here it will take around 15 to 20 minutes for whole installation part. So please stay here. Now I can see a MySQL installer community. Here message is please wait while Windows configures MySQL installer community. Now it will take around 20 seconds. Please wait. Now I can see MySQL installer 1.6 is on progress. Now guys, I can see here there is around 5 options. First one is developer defaults, second one is server only, third one is client only, fourth one is full, fifth one is custom. Guys, when I talk about developer default, basically developer default provide a setup type that includes the selected version of MySQL Server and other MySQL tools related to MySQL development such as MySQL Workbench. Now I talk about second one, server only. Basically, server only provides setup for the selected version of MySQL Server without other product. Now, third one is client only. When I talk about client only install the most recent MySQL applications and MySQL connectors. This setup type similar to the developer default type, except that It does not include MySQL Server or the client programs, typically bundled with the server such as MySQL or MySQL Admin. Now I talk about full. In this section, install all available MySQL products. Now, guys, I talk about custom. Basically, custom is enable you to select any version of MySQL Server and MySQL products. But I am going with developer default because all required product available over here. Now I click on next. Guys, you can see here I need to click on MySQL for Visual Studio 1.2.10 and click on next option. Now guys, you can see there is multiple setups available over here. First one is MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, connector ODBC, connector C, connector J, connector Net, connector Python, MySQL documentation, samples and examples. First of all, I need to execute this. And guys, also I would like to talk about MySQL Server, which means MySQL supports JIPK mode, which causes a generated invisible primary key. It means JIPK to be added to any InnoDB table that is created without an explicit primary key. Now guys, I talk about MySQL Workbench. When I talk about MySQL Workbench, which means MySQL provides an easy to use wizard based installation experience for all your MySQL software needs. Now guys, I talk about MySQL Shell. When I talk about MySQL Shell is an interactive JavaScript, Python, or SQL interface supporting development and an administration for the MySQL server and is a component of MySQL server. Guys, for this installation part, it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Please wait. And guys, the library that we will be requiring is something called MySQL connector. Also, Python, which I will try to install it in my next video in front of you guys. Then I will try to show you how you can create a database, how you can create tables, how you can write query from the tables, how you can perform more complex operations. So again, it will be around 8 to 9 videos with respect to this. After we complete this, we'll move to advanced. So I hope guys you like this particular video. Please do subscribe my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, I will see you in next video. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Bye bye.